To kick off Black History Month, the Oakland Education Fund came up with a very creative and fun idea to encourage business people and the community to go back to school to help encourage literacy in the Oakland Unified School District. There was an opportunity for volunteers to read in classrooms from K to 12. Oakland Mayor Livy Schaaf participated, as well as all of the school board members. Team 360 walked around and read with the students at the school Hoover Elementary with Jamoki Hinton Hodge, who is also the school board member for that district. So with me is Jamoki Hinton Hodge, who is the school board member representing District 3. This is her district, Hoover Elementary, and it's the first day of the read-in. So Jamoki, tell us a little bit about today and what you expect when you read to the second and third graders at Hoover Elementary.
So happy Black History Month. Happy American History. I think it's important to note that Black history, African American history, is a part of the American fabric, and so it's a great opportunity for us to lift up all the stories and all the ideas and creativity of the African American community. And so literacy is so important for our students. We know that through books they get an opportunity to see new worlds, experience new things, and then just to have adults come and show that they care and sit with them for a while just to read is going to be a really phenomenal thing, and we're going to be doing that today and throughout the week.
So what book are you going to read, and what exciting things are you going to do with your class?
So I'm not really sure of my assignment, maybe first or second graders. I had one book that I already looked at, which is about Ella Fitzgerald, and so that's a powerful woman and icon in our community. There's another book called Tar Beach.
Well, I think it's very important for school board members to come out and be in the classroom with the students so that they know at an early age. I remember when I was in elementary school, I very much remember Marcus Foster. And coming to school, I mean, like I remember him, and I remember that whole story. But so it matters to the students in second and third grade to see the leaders in the schools, and they will be encouraged and also exposed to your leadership and who you are. So they're watching, and it's inspiring as well.
Yes, thank you for that. Actually, that's a great reminder of Dr. Marcus Foster and just his impact inside the school district, and our first African American superintendent. And I have to say that 7 years ago, when I first got elected, I got an amazing gift, and the gift was a picture of Marcus Foster sitting with a group of first and second graders, listening intently. And so I thank you for that image and bringing that back. So it is very much about how we work in service of young people, and you're right, the small things that we do are going to be incredibly impactful in their life.
So now we can go to some of the classrooms and have a little fun today. This is a good way to start Monday off, first day of February. And today is the first day of Black History Month. So me and some of my team are here to read with you all and start off your Monday to talk about some good people. I'm talking about Coretta Scott. Does anybody know who Coretta Scott is?
No.
Have you heard of Martin Luther King?
Yeah.
Oh, this is his wife. And her last name is Scott. It happens to be my last name too.